How to add a credit card as payment method on Shopify. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this video you're going to learn how you can add a credit card or any payment method on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find sign up links and website links of Shopify in the description of this video. So here in the dashboard of your Shopify account, in the left bottom corner, you're gonna find the settings, and there in this left menu, you're gonna click on payments. By default, you're gonna be able to choose a provider, or you can activate PayPal account too, but you can add payment methods. So here you're gonna search by payment methods or by provider. And if I click here in the search bar, you're gonna obtain a great variety of credit cards or also different method payments. Unfortunately, the logos are not loading here, but you can also use Ethereum or other platforms like Binance. So you can pay here in crypto too if you want. But let's suppose I want just to select the Visa credit card. And after that, this is going to let me know which providers are going to offer me this payment method. So by default, I would used to say that Skrill is the best option, but obviously you are free to check whatever you want. It could be credit, debit card payments by PayPal, or it could be Payoneer 2, the Payoneer checkout. So once you select one, let's suppose Skrill is the one that I'm going to select. So I'm going to activate it. You must get the merchant email and the secret word. These are like data that you're going to find in the provider account. So if you don't have an account, there's a link so you can sign up for free or get support from Skrill in order to get these data. And obviously at the end, you can check or uncheck the different payment or credit or debit cards that you want to use into your Shopify store. And that's it. Once you have done that, you are going to click here in Activate Skrill or any other provider you have. And that's how you're going to add credit card as payment method on Shopify. Thanks for watching.